Hey everybody, Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2018 Yamaha Wolverine X4. We've just installed a bunch of accessories on it, and due to request, we're doing a video on the Super ATV windshield. This is the full folding up windshield. As you can see, it's got a nice snug fit there along the bottom. Installation was a breeze with it. Very nice, clean field of view. And like I mentioned, it is full folding, fold up that is. On the inside, you've got a handle here, and if you're cool in the morning, seems to warm up during the day, you could actually crack this thing open, pop it in that setting. You got a couple-inch gap all the way along to create some airflow for you. Maybe it's going to heat up a little more throughout the day. Just take that lever, open it up again, and the windshield's going to open all the way up. You got a nice clean mounting on the vehicle. It is not quick release. You could take it off with a couple Allen bolts there if you would like, but it is not quick release. We've had a lot of questions about that. You can see the windshield in the full upright position there. It does not go any further than that. You would want to have the windshield down and locked for trailering purposes, obviously. Your slower speed stuff is going to be okay to have the windshield up, but if you're going to be doing some whoop sections or some, faster pace stuff, you're going to want to put the windshield down. But we are fairly confident that you could get out in most terrain, slower speed stuff out in the mountains, have this all the way up with no problem at all. It's very nice looking. They've done a good job. The fit is very good. I'll pull it shut here for you. One-handed operation, no problem. If you go all the way into the locked position, it snaps in really nice, as you can see there. It is reinforced with some nice powder-coated metal brackets along the top as well. So again, you're looking at the 2018 Yamaha Wolverine X4. This windshield will also work on the X2. There's not a difference on the windshield or anything from the B pillar forward on the X2. So everything from this pillar forward, parts and accessory wise, with the exception of the roof, of course, is going to fit just fine. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. If you'd like to place an order, you can also check out our sister store, Ruthless Motorsports, at ruthlessmotorsports.com. Their phone number, 801-737-6400. If you have any questions or need any help with outfitting your machine, give us a call. Have a great day.